Hey guys, Scott here with RV Wholesalers. Today we're going to go over some how-to and things to look at with your generators. Right now we're looking at one of the toy haulers that we have that has the new inverter Yamaha generator installed on it. This kind of goes over the whole gamut of if you have an own-in or the Yamaha. The way it starts, the way everything that you're going to do and check out is basically the same. A few different things here and there on motorhomes, but for the most part, this is a good general aspect of it. So in this particular one, for this toy hauler, the few things that we need to make sure that we have when we're going to start our generator is, first off, is our battery got to get enough charge for it. If you have a low battery, cranking issues can be definitely one thing that you can run into. So if you do have a low battery, your generator might not start up. So keep an eye on that on your monitor panels. If you know you need to start your generator and this looks like it's getting a little bit low, get that thing fired up, charge up that battery, because it will charge your battery while it runs. So like I said, if you know you're going to be out somewhere for a while, you want to get this thing going, get your battery recharged up. Other things that we can have issues with is when they are first fired, or if they're, let's say, out of fuel, it might not want to fire that way. So when you hold your stop prime button, there's actually a different sound, and I'm not sure if you'll be able to hear this, but when I hold this one, it's a very low, deep purr. If it is a very high-pitched purr, usually that's a good indication that I'm not getting fuel. If I'm not getting fuel, like I said, very common things are I might just not have enough in the tank to pick up, or I might have a problem in my line. More commonly is I just don't have enough fuel in my tank. To fire these generators, and like I said, this kind of goes over the majority of them, you're going to hold your stop prime until the light comes on. It doesn't hurt to let it run just a few more seconds after that, and then at that point, then you would hold the start button to let it fire up. If you have specific motorhomes that have generators, there are certain ones that have glow plugs if you have a diesel style that take a little longer. Like I said, for the most part, this is a very common setup, whether it's an own-in brand or this new Yamaha inverter. So I'm going to fire this up to give you an idea what it's like. Like I said, you're going to hold stop prime, let the light come on, and I'm going to hold start. And there you have it. Hey, thanks for watching. If you guys got any more questions or things you want to see, just let us know. Always like and subscribe. You can always give us a call at 877-877-4494. Thanks.